Hello? I've literally been sitting here not even knowing that I was recording. Oops. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Hi, I'm CourtneyQuarantine, your host. I'm getting into a very exciting collection today, and I truly cannot wait to see this with my own eyes. But before that, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, giving this video a like, giving it a thumbs up, and commenting something down below. Whether you have a TV show that you're watching lately, a movie that you've seen lately that you think I should watch. There's so many good ones out right now, and I feel like I'm so behind. I need to go to the movies for like a week straight and only eat movie food and only watch movies. That actually sounds really nice. That sounds like a lot of fun. But if you're returning, hey bestie, hey! Thank you so much for being here. It really means a lot, and I hope you're taking care. I'm just gonna get right into this because this is something that I feel like not only has been being talked about a lot for a long time, but I have been anticipating this for a long time, and I'm so excited. In my hands, I have the collection with Mob and Monica for not only the red lip kit, which includes the infamous red lipstick that Monica will be wearing on her wedding, and has done an entire series to find like the perfect red lip, and in doing so has made the perfect red lip. But there's also a red blush, which I am so excited for. I already have my face done today, so I'm gonna swatch the blush, and I might put a little bit on, but I do know myself and I will be wearing that blush a lot. That being said, I love the cream clay blushes. I'm very excited about that. However, the lip kit includes the lipstick, which is a soft matte red lipstick, and a lip liner. And if you know me, you know I am obsessed with lip liner, but obsessed with Mob's lip liners. And this is really exciting because this is the first lip liner that Mob has ever made in collaboration with a creator. So there's many things that I'm excited about for this, and we just got to get into it all because I am literally like giddy to see this like in person and to be swatching and to be wearing and to putting it on. I'm so excited. I love red. I don't know if maybe that was a little obvious. As someone who is very particular about the reds that I like to wear and that I like to have in my collection, I'm just really excited to try this. If you haven't seen any of Monica's content on like her red lipstick kind of journey, there is so much that has gone into her process, at least that I've seen, and I can only imagine like all the other stuff that has gone in as well. It also really ties to like her mother wearing a certain red lipstick, like kind of growing up and feeling powerful in it. It's just kind of like this empowerment with also a shade. So there's really a big story here, but I would highly recommend checking out Monica's content on it if it's something that you want to see. And honestly, I recommend that you do, because products that get made because of something like this, in my opinion, have a lot of passion in it, have a lot of like, there's a lot that goes into it. And I love to see that. Instead of just oh, I wanted to make this because there's emotion. And you know I love emotion. You know I love getting sappy. You know I love getting a little romantic around here. Because if you're not going to romanticize your own product, what are you doing? Well, that's, there's plenty of people that don't. But anywho, my Beauty is literally one of my top favorites. Also, if I may say, Monica, welcome to the Mob family. It is really cool to have you as a creator. Like, I know you were a creator already, you were making stuff in the lab, but like now it feels like the big stamp of like, it's out now and it's just really exciting. Now, I'm not gonna assume that Monica's gonna watch this because I am not entitled to anyone's time. But Monica, if you do, it has been really cool to see you dive into this and take this so seriously. And I really enjoy stuff like that because again, it feels more like a journey. It feels like there's a story. It feels like it's not just like marketing. And I know sometimes people chalk that up to be that, but I feel like with all of your history with the shade and bringing your family along with, like, it's something really beautiful to see. And I feel like sitting here with this, like it makes me feel like I am part of that. And that's, I think, what makes makeup bigger than just pigments, bigger than just products, bigger than just a launch. It really is being a part of someone's like, very special day, but also like your history with this. So anywho, I'm very excited. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo. This is official, y'all. Okay. Ooh. Oh, fancy. Oh, this is packed delicately. Ooh, hold on. Cute. Okay. The lipstick, the lip liner, the blush. Oh, I'm so excited. Let me take this lip off because I want to put everything on. Yep. Okay, this is the lipstick and the shade name is Redemption. The number is also M187. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Here is the lip liner in Wine Not. This is M188. Again, well, I'm obsessed with all these products, so, but they're lip liners, dude. This is actually so very exciting to see a lip liner with a collaborator with them. Bro. Also, I've heard that shade is a dark garnet. Oh, I need 1,000. And here is the cream clay blush in the shade Crimson Crush, or M198. Nope, M189. Okay, there we go. We got there in the end. I'm gonna open the blush really quickly just to get like a sense of it, because I want to use this tomorrow on like a blank face, because I feel like I have too much going on already, and I want to see it, you know? Dear Lord. Oh my God. Monica, thank you for this. Thank you for this. Oh, just before I swatch it, look at that dude. Like, honestly, oh my God. Oh my mouth is watering. My mouth is freaking watering. Texture I know and love, period. Yep. Oh my God. Oh, sweet Lord. Yep. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that is tasty. I cannot wait to do a monochromatic red look with that. Okay, lip liner time. Freaking lip liner time. Dude, I could scream. I'm so excited about this. And I might. Seeing the color indicator down here? Okay, I'm gonna try to be calm, but I can't. This is the shade Wine Not. Oh, yeah, yep. I'm not gonna swatch this, I'm just gonna put it on my lips. Oh God, look at that. No way, dude, Monica. Yep, yeah. That is delightful. The level of like brown in this. Oh, I'm so happy it's not like so orange. Oh God. Yeah. Yep. Undo the edges a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Love this formula. Obsessed with this formula. Have talked about it a billion times. It is plastic free. It is waterproof. You can recycle the aluminum cap. And this is a wooden pencil. It is glorious, dude. Love the shade already. Done. Now this lipstick. We got the bio packaging. You can also get the capsules, like the plastic reusable capsules. But I don't mind the bio packaging, honestly. Also because I usually get replacements of these. Like these are the lipstick formulas that I go through the most. So when I do need a refill, I just, get a refill and let this compost in the earth with no soil toxicity, okay? Woo! Yup. Wow. Oh. Wow. Oh my. That's a freaking red lipstick, all right. Ooh, these do have a slight vanilla scent. It's actually quite nice, and it feels like a more expensive vanilla than like a sick, like kind of like candy vanilla. Really love the scent of these lipsticks. Okay, let's see. Oh, shut up. Oh, shut up, dude. Oh, that texture is delightful. Ooh, it has more oomph. It feels like it has more oomph and more like solidness to it. Sometimes with red lipsticks, if they're a little too slippery, they move around a little bit much. I'm just gonna go ahead and say I like that. I like the oomph with it because then it's not gonna like end up on your freaking upper lip and on your chin and over on your cheek and over on your forehead. Already, straight out the gate, that's what I'm really excited about. Actually, the first thing is the color, obviously. Duh, hello. Let me put a little bit more on. Wow. Wow. I'm honestly happy to see that, at least on me, this is not a one-for-one match. Like, the liner and the lip are different. Sometimes I feel like if the liner is just the same, and this is just preference and my opinion with how I like my lip combos, which you could probably already guess that I like a little bit of a, like, jump from the lip liner to the lip. And I'm really happy that the brown kind of rustiness of the lip liner, I'm into that. Also, before I continue, I do want to talk about this card because it is very sweet. The card reads, "We cordially invite you to enjoy the Mob X Monica collection." And I quote, "I created my perfect red lipstick for my wedding day, but it wouldn't feel complete without sharing it with you, Monica." That is so freaking adorable. And then on the back there is information about the red lipstick, about the formulas. They are a limited edition kit on 8/12 with Crimson Crush available individually. All 3 shades are available on 8/14. And again, you will be seeing this video either on or after these dates. Monica has been talking about this and this particular process for a very long time. To see it finally come to fruition and be here, I can't even imagine how excited she is. Obviously, I'm biased with how much I love Mob, but I love when Mob gets to work and create these shades with creators, when there is a vision, when there is a message, when there's a journey, and it just feels really exciting to me. I love this. I love these lipsticks so much. They are so comfortable. I think the thing that I'm most happy about is the fact that it's not like coral orange on me, which again, because I've seen some of Monica's content on this, I wasn't particularly thinking that it would, but there is always that chance, especially with me, that things will be like they get a little corally, they get a little orangish, and then I don't particularly enjoy that, but this is stunning. This is a freaking stunning lip. My God. This is actually a red lip that I would wear pretty regularly. I would be interested to see like how long I wear it, if it stains, so on and so forth. But I have to say, I think one of the things I'm most excited for is this liner. Like, I really do love that we get both of these and a blush with this collection. Again, I do love mauve very much, and I love red. So am I biased? Yeah, actually, of course I am. Everybody is. But I am thrilled that this has come out the way that it has. Selfishly too, like, I love this kind of a red lip versus like an orangier one and a like really intense bright one. This I feel like is a really gorgeous like sweet spot. I'm gonna add just a little bit more liner to kind of blend the two and just kind of add a little in the center. Yeah, that's stunning. Wow. Here are some swatches on the back of my hand. Again, swatches on the back of anyone's hand is not going to tell you how it looks on your lips or your face, but I did just kind of want to show these individually. They are just stunning. These are beautiful. This is the blush a little bit more like sheared out. It's not going to be like hella pigmented. However, I would argue that you would want it to be a little bit more buildable than full on opacity, just so you can get like, you know, more of a blend, and it's a little more seamless on the skin with cream blushes like this. Ah, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Gorgeous. I love. This feels like a mysterious hot lip. You know what I'm saying? Mob and Monica, huge congratulations. This is a stunning collection, and these are stunning products individually on their own. And also, thank you so much for sending this my way. I was really, really excited for this. I may have already bought some backups in the meantime. Monica, also congratulations on your big day. I hope it is just the most beautiful, most stunning time. I love that you get to have this intertwined with such a big moment in your life and with all of your history with the search for a red lipstick and your family and your mother specifically. That was really sweet to watch that. It does make me pretty emotional to see that because it is really wonderful. And every day I feel like I'm reminded how makeup is more powerful to a lot of us because of these things, because of these stories, because of our lives. And I just really love to see it. So congratulations again. Wow. Wow. And for you watching, if you're not Monica, what do you think? If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and joining me here. I would love to have you, and giving this video a thumbs up, giving it a like, and commenting something down below. It really helps my page and the algorithm in general. So thank you so much. I am my own editor and I do all of my content myself. So I appreciate any help or any engagement on anything that I make. And as always, thanks for being here, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!